with that.
So today is National Russia Day. Today's
Fourth of July.
Today's gonna be lit.
Literally
lit. We're gonna go see some, what is it? Some Peter Hoffenberg Museum or something like that. So today is basically just like a national holiday that's gonna...
I was showing them the name of the restaurant. Sea Cafe.
Sea Cafe, that's where we're at right now. We're about to get some apple strudel, some poppy seed strudel.
Okay, tell her we're going to Hermitage.
And then we're gonna be at
This area.
cheese strudel.
Hazelnut hot
gonna be
chocolate.
at
But it's okay. Hazelnut hot chocolate.
I don't have
And
this
caramel pear cheesecake. Not bad. When in Russia. This is Russia. So TIR.
Messages.
Okay, so TIR stands for today in Russia? No,
is Russia.
This is Russia.
TIR. This is Russia.
Boom! We're here. St. Petersburg Stadium, Russia 2018. What?
World Cup final.
World Cup, semi-final. The final's in Moscow, bro.
World Cup semifinal. Brought to you by Toyota.
And Oliver.
I don't know how that guy does that.
Welcome to the Rumble. Yeah, brother.
All right, brother.
All right, brother. Yeah, St. Petersburg 2018 here, covering not this event, but we will be covering the Kaliningrad First round. Yeah, brother. That's pretty much it. We can't go inside because it's closed, obviously, as you can see the gates. But in like 3 days, there's going to be thousands of people here, so we're all right. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We're done with this place. So off to where are we going next?
Some gelato.
Get some gelato. Yes, I had some ice cream, but it wasn't that good. I do have to admit something. Russia does not make the best ice cream. They do make great pastries and hot foods that are like strudels and stuff. Delicious. I'll have to give them that. Strudels, one of the best.
But when you're asking for hot chocolate, you have to be careful because they might give you actual chocolate and just melt it in a cup, and it's more like pudding.
Just say hot chocolate and then tell them a side of milk with that, because that's what my sister did, and they literally brought melted chocolate and she had to get 2 cups of milk, steamed milk, in order to proportionize. Is that the word to use? Proportionatize the milk to chocolate ratio.
Hey, I'm on a boat. We're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
Everybody look at me because we're sailing on a boat.
He's on a boat.
We're on a boat.
I'm on a boat.
He's on a boat.
We on a boat.
Peterhof. We're here. This thing is freaking huge, ginormous. Look at that, it's got like gold statues and a big huge fountain and a massive castle. It's big and it's nice. Man, it's big.